So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'll be talking about the Carly OBD2 diagnostics. So now let's get started. So this is the Carly OBD2 scanner adapter, and you have to plug this to the OBD port inside your BMW. The port is located here. So once you plug in the OBD adapter on the OBD port, you can open up the app on your cell phone. So the Carly works with Apple iOS and also Android phone. So me, I have the Android, so I already got the app. I already downloaded it from the Play Store. You just have to open it up. So on the car section here, you have to, since my car is already here, but if you have to add a new car, you can just add new car. You can select all types of car here. They have Acura, BMW, Dodge, Honda, Jeep, Lotus, Mini, Mitsubishi, Nissan. So they have different types of cars, but in this video I'm gonna concentrate only on the BMW, since this is a BMW car. I can go to my car that I already saved in this selection here. So now I have to connect the adapter to the phone. So after you plug in the OBD port adapter, you have to turn on the engine and make sure the Bluetooth is on to connect it. So I already turned on the Bluetooth on the adapter, so now it's connecting. So on the Carly app, you can check the health diagnostics, used car, coding, all features. And then we go back here. See here with the Carly, you can diagnose your car to check the condition of your car. It can also diagnose if you have a check engine light to see what's wrong with it. So we're gonna do that later on. Here you have the customization. This is the coding, where you can code your car to adjust the lighting, the logo, or any other behavior. Like if you press the lock, it's gonna close all the window, and unlock, it's gonna put down all the windows. So we're not gonna go to that today. I'm just gonna show it to you. And here we have the used car. So the used car check is a very good tool if you want to buy a used car, because I already used this Carly adapter when I bought my this BMW, and it helped me a lot in knowing the condition of the car, and also the mileage, if it's the original mileage, or the serial number is not tampered, to see that it's a real genuine serial number that you have in the car, not something that's been altered. So we're not gonna do that today. And on this live data, you can see that you can monitor the oil temperature, RPM, oil pressure. So this is a good live data if you wanna put your phone on your dashboard and connect the OBD, and you can see all these parameters while you're driving. So the good thing about this Carly adapter is that after you diagnose your car, so if they diagnose something wrong with your car, it's gonna tell you if it's a real emergency situation that you really have to fix the car, or something that you're not gonna be concerned about because it's just an error. or something that's not gonna be critical to the engine, that you can still live with it or drive with it while even though it's on. So now we're gonna do the health check on the BMW. We're gonna check for ECU. So it's checking right now. It's on 7%. So diagnostic is complete. So I found 3 issues with the telematics, and it says here acceptable. So that means nothing to worry about. We can just clear this and it will be still okay. See, it says here not serious, not serious, not serious. So we have to go back and it's acceptable. So on customization, if we go here, this is where you can code everything. So we're gonna check for the compatibility. So Carly is checking now if it's the car is compatible for coding, so we can change something. So number of compatible ECUs 11. All compatible ECUs can be read. Okay. So here we have the combi, where you can do the dashboard heads-up display. You can code the front light, mirror, engine stop, engine start, heating, seating for the heater, seating heater, windshield wipers, comfort functions, the light, parking distance control, rear view camera, the CSM, crash security module, seat belt, the iDrive, the legal disclaimer. You can take out the legal disclaimer, the iDrive start logo or heads up display. You want the ICM to start in eco mode. So blind spot detection, integrated chassis module, anti-theft alarm system, seat memory, active sound design, heater conditioning, heater and air conditioning, integrated climate control. So these are all the things that we're gonna adjust. So we're not gonna do any coding right now, but those are the options that you can change the setup of the car. If you want to check a used car, this is what you do. So here we can start the used car check to check my car as a used car. So now the Carly was finished. You can see the current value of the connected car. The Carly has detected no tampering on the serial number, mileage, average speed, driving profile data, and other points. So that's mean there's no tampering. The original serial number of the car is the real serial number of the car, and also the mileage. There's no tampering of the mileage, so that means the mileage is genuine. See, the serial number is correct. Average speed, driving profile, other data. So that's for the used car check on the Carly. So the used car check for the Carly is an excellent device. If you really want to buy the car, you can find out if that's a genuine serial number and the mileage of the car, so you have no doubt after that. So here in the extra features, you can also see the service preset, engine adaptation, battery. You know, if you want to register your battery, because every time you replace the battery on the car, you have to register it, so the car will know that you put a new battery in it, so that the charging sequence will be different, so it's not going to be the same. Here's the transmission. You can check the status of the transmission. You can do the service reset. You know, you can do a lot of stuff. You can check the brakes, OBD2 function, iDrive, exhaust flap. You know, you can control the exhaust flap, iDrive. because this is a subscription based diagnostic. So if you want the Carly to work yearly, you have to pay the subscription yearly. I would say it's not too bad. The price is excellent compared to if you're gonna go to the garage to get your battery registered, or if you wanna get your BMW diagnosed by the BMW dealer. It's gonna cost you more money. So if you have this, you don't need to go to the BMW dealer, or you don't need to go to the BMW dealer to register your new battery. You can just do it with Carly, and that's a lot cheaper than just going to the mechanic on the BMW. So this is not free, it's a subscription base. You have to buy the Bluetooth adapter, you have to buy the subscription. And now they have a new subscription about the smart mechanic. So what happened with the smart mechanic, if they detected something like faulty on your diagnostics, let's say something serious, it's gonna give you an advice where to look for and how to fix it. So it's kind of like a digital mechanic, but you don't need to consult any other mechanic for that code. You can just fix it yourself. It's gonna tell you where the location of the problem, and then you have to replace that part if you need to fix that problem. So that's the good thing about the smart mechanic. But again, it's another added subscription that you have to pay on top of the subscription that you're already paying for the Carly every year. So I think I would take that one, but not for now, because so far I don't have any problem with my car. But if I do have problem with my car, that would help me a lot in finding the problem and fixing the solution right away, instead of bringing it to a BMW dealer. So that's it for the Carly, and I would say that Carly is an excellent tool that you must have if you have a BMW, because this will save you a lot of money instead of going to the dealer to get your car diagnosed. So very important that you should have Carly if you have a BMW or any other type of car, because they have other cars now in their category, in their listing of cars that's available in the app. So that's it for this video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.